Hey, are you ready to turn into a salsa ninja? Boom! What's going on, guys? Hervin here, back with another Shine tutorial. Today we have a little bit of a long one. I've been practicing this one for a couple of days. I hope you like it. Let me know how you do down in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like the longer format better than the short and sweet ones. And go ahead and share this video with your friends. Leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe here for more salsa content. And if you want a private lesson with me one-on-one, we can do it over Facetime or Skype. Let me know. Send me a direct message. I hope you like it. Boom! What's going on, guys? Hervin here, back with another Shine tutorial. Right now we got a long one, so let's get right into it. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7 to the side. 1, 2, right behind, and 3. So I'm going to do a cha-cha step right there, a syncopated step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to race on 3 on the ball of my feet. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. And then from there, I am going to go into a Susie Q to the left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. I go back and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, that's a syncopated step. Syncopated means in between beats. So you have 1, and that's a syncopated step. So you have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That and, the space in between the 2 beats, that's where you're stepping on. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to kick. 6, 7, 8. So that is diagonally across, tap on the side, and tap right behind. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Here from the front, 6, 7, 8. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here from the back, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the way from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, to the side. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, and basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here from the front, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. From the top, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to step to the side. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So I have step and 3. That is a quick step on the end beat right after 1. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I'm going to extend my arm on the third step. 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. 5 and 7. 1 and 3. 5 and 7. Step and open. 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 Here from the back. Step and open. 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 That is an Afro-Cuban folklore move called Chango. Let's see it again. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. So immediately from the 5, 6, 7, 8, I go 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 3, 5 and 7. Basic 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 3, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. After you've done that, 1 and 3, 5 and 7, you're going to go into the basic 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to go to the side 5, 6, 7. You're going to rock in place 5, 6, 7. Rock, rock, rock. I'm just shifting the weight without lifting up my feet. So 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do circular motion with the hand as I do that. 5, 6, 7. And on the 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm going to bring the hand right behind my back. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. All the way from the top, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, rock to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Here from the back. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and basic 2. Here's the last move. I cross 1, 2, and I'm going to slide back and slide my feet together 3. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Slow. 1, 2, and 3. That third step is me sliding the feet together. So I went 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. From the front, 5, 6, 7. Cross, step, and bring it back. As I bring it back, I go with my arm to pick up, as if I'm motioning to pick up my feet. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. From here, I'm going to twist to the left. 5. So 5. I'm here, up high. 5, I twist, and I bring my arms down. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. And then I twist to get to the right. 7. And I just let the hand go on my hip. The other one I let extend out slowly. 7. And I'm back in the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I went 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The last one. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here from the back, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, basic 2, 3. From the top, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, rock. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, 7, basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Go. 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top with music. Boom! Boom! Well done for making it all the way to the very end of the video. Good job. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. Leave this video a thumbs up if you did. Share in the comments below how it went for you, what you would like me to explain, what details would you like me to cover. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. And if you want a private lesson 101 so I could turn you into a salsa ninja, send me a direct message. We could do it over FaceTime or WhatsApp. Till next time. Boom!